If you're experiencing issues with the EASC25 update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the update issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or websites. If your connection is slow or intermittent, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game could resolve minor glitches that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to check for any prompts or notifications after restarting. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache to remove any temporary data that might be causing issues. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 4. Check for server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online before the update can proceed. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up your game data if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the EASC25 update getting stuck. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.